Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking today. Dulabic here. So, are you looking for an extremely easy to use point and shoot film camera for beginners? Stay tuned.
This is the Canon Snappy EL, a fully automatic point-and-shoot film camera from 1995. It has a 1/125th shutter speed and a single focal length of 32 millimeters, with an f-stop of 5.6. Now let's take a closer look at the hardware. So this is what the front of the camera looks like, and if you want to turn it on, all you do is just open it up like this. And it's actually a very simple camera, and I really mean that. You have two buttons here. They're all related to the flash. So basically what happens, this is an automatic camera, so meaning if it thinks it needs the flash, it will turn it on. If you don't want it, basically push this button and hold it and then take a photo, and that disables the flash, but you got to hold it. And then same thing, if there are situations when the flash doesn't come on and you feel like you need a flash, same thing, hold this and push the shutter button and the flash will come on. That's basically it. On the top here, you've got the shutter button. That's basically it. You've got the green light here indicating that the camera is ready to go. So if we take a picture now, oh, that was it. Here's the indicator in terms of how many photos you have taken. And that's, oh, and this is if you're done with the film, you push this guy, where does it go? You go up and it's gonna rewind the film. And then batteries go here, so it takes two AA batteries. And that is it. And then here you can put a strap on, and obviously here you open up the back of it. So if you wanna open it up, this is what it looks like. The film goes here, and then you just basically go all the way up to here, close it, boom, open this guy, and start taking photos. That's about it. Now let's see photos taken with this camera.
So, as you can see, first of all, the quality is pretty sweet. It is really nice glass. I like the pictures. I got a lot of good stuff for sure. This could not be easier to use. There's literally nothing that you could mess up. There's one button, shutter button, frame, well, or point and shoot. Right, so as long as you load the film properly, as long as you got batteries in there, and you know how to frame, point and shoot, right? Okay. There's one thing to keep in mind, obviously, which is distance. Don't go too close to an object, because these cameras basically operate on, they're set to infinity, right? So you can't be too close. I could be wrong on this, but I think it's 4 meters away from an object. That's kind of my rule. So keep at least 4 meters between you and, you know, whatever you want to be in frame, and you should be fine. So if you're too close, yes, it will be out of focus. And I had one or two images that were blurred out because I was just too close. So that's really the only thing to keep in mind. Other than that, that's it. I mean, and again, the two buttons in front, if you want to turn off or turn on the flash, and that's it. You're good to go. This is an extremely fun camera to use. Very simple, easy to use. So anyone who wants to get into film photography and is very intimidated by all the specs, all the features, blah, 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 just get a camera like this and you're going to have a great time, right? So that's that, guys. If you are interested in checking out some of the photos that I've taken, I did create a online store where you can actually buy my prints. So if you're interested in that, you will see, I think you will see some of those prints there. I'm choosing the best ones from a variety of film cameras that I've been using over the last few months, and I will be making more reviews on some of those, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, check out the link, it's in the description. If you like some of the prints, order them, support me, you know, I'm not gonna complain, it's all good. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, as always, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends and all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.